5, BC equals to 9, AC equals to 2. Now can a unique triangle be drawn from this? Go back to the properties of triangle as discussed in question number 1. So triangle cannot be drawn from these three segments. Why? Length of any side of a triangle is greater than the difference between the remaining two sides. So over here what is the case? AC means 2 centimeter is less than difference between the two sides, that is 9 minus 4. So triangle cannot be drawn. It should have been AC greater than BC minus AB, then the triangle could have been drawn. Next, BC equals to 7.2 centimeter, angle B equals to 90 and angle C equals to 105. So can triangle be drawn? Here, this length is given, then BC is 90 and C is 105. Always remember, measure the angle C from within the triangle side, not from the exterior angle side, right? So this is 105. So will these two segments meet each other? No, because this is straight, this is going in this direction, so triangle cannot be drawn in this. Next, xy equals to 5, angle x equals to 30, angle y equals to 60. Can a triangle be drawn? Unique triangle? Yes, it can be drawn. Why? Because once you know the xy equals to 5 and angle 30, angle 60, there can be only one triangle. The lengths can't change at all if these three things are given. This is called as ASA test. Here, the tests which were used in the earlier chapter, properties of triangle, for congruence, testing the congruence, the same tests can be used for constructing the triangle. Means any triangle can be constructed uniquely if you have these three items, SSS, SAS and ASA, AAS and RHS. If you have these 5 items for any triangle, then only one triangle can be created. It can't be duplicated in that case. Means it will be unique. So a unique triangle can be drawn using this. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp on the number for purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.